Right, people, I thought I'd share something with you. I do cycle occasionally. Took this out. As I was pedaling, I'm hearing a very light ticking noise. Now, when I got back, I've checked all the screws on the bike and everything seems to be perfectly fine. So it left me wondering, thinking where the ticking is coming from, but it was coming actually from the front end, some part of the front end basically. And I'm thinking whether if I've cracked, if there is a crack on the actual frame itself. But considering the ride I do, I'm not doing any stunts and mountain climbing and all that. Considering this is a mountain bike, I'm more of a lot of, say, just general trail and road and things like that. So I can't sort of see how I've cracked the frame. The culprit is actually the front end. It's here. There's a bit of a space between this, let me sort of see, between that shaft. So I should actually, it's the space here. I should say this is the shaft, or the stem I should say. And then you've got two washers here, O-ring. And the gap was, the ever so slight gap was actually here, there. Okay? So how did I resolve this? I've unscrewed this, I've unscrewed the stem, slackened it, I've slackened this, and what I've done is I've actually held the front brake and I pressed on the front end so that there is no, the actual suspension is pushing upwards, minimizing the gap here to the bare minimum. Also adjusting this a little bit tighter than normal so that it's holding that space, and then with an Allen key I started tightening them up, and guess what? The ticking noise have gone away. The bike is riding brilliantly, no more annoying ticking noise from the front end. So if you do suffer from that, the first thing you want to do is look at the space. There should be absolutely no play on this basically. So if you hold your front brake and you push the bike forward, keep an eye on that this bit here and that bit, the gap in between that gap, there should be absolutely no play. Okay, if there is a play, then you will suffer from that ticking noise, which I've been suffering from. So hope you find this useful. Take care, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.